In order to remove the accessories and upholstery off of a Boyd surgery chair, we're first going to start by unscrewing the rail mechanisms and sliding them with the arms off of the chrome rail, removing the arms off the chair. Once this is done, we can remove the headrest by depressing the lever in the back of the chair and pulling the headrest completely out of the back of the chair. Once this is done, we can remove the seat upholstery by lifting up on the knee section and pulling out and away from the back of the chair. We will remove the back upholstery by undoing the Velcro flap and lifting up on the lumbar section, pulling out and away from the seat of the chair. Then we will remove the toe upholstery by undoing the Velcro flap and pulling on the bottom of the toe section and pulling down towards the floor. Once this is all done, we can repeat this in reverse to re-adhere the upholstery to the chair.